What is up, guys? It's your boy, The Real Deal 23, back here with another video. And today, I went on the store just like 2 minutes ago, and I look at these frozen packs. And they boosted to 100K. Contains 2 gold or better Ultimate Freeze players. So we're going to open up 2 of these today. Just sit back and enjoy the video. Alright, here's the first frozen pack. Hopefully we can get any Ultimate Freeze player. Dang, there's a lot of cards in this sucker. There's our 2 gold Ultimate Freeze players. That pack's pretty trash. Now we gotta do this pack. Alright, guys. The last frozen pack, then we're gonna show you some stuff. Oh my god, there's the fire. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just pulled Doug Baldwin. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I just really pulled Doug Baldwin. Oh my gosh. That was pretty lit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He sells for an amazing amount. That's unbelievable. Oh my god. The first card, what the fluff? The first card too. My luck. Like, oh my gosh. Those packs are fire lit. Oh my gosh, dude. That was some fire. Just pulled Doug Baldwin. Dude. How many am I away from this? Alright, guys, I'll be right back. Well, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you like it. Like, subscribe. No, wait. We're going to the auction to check this out, so be right back. Let's go and see how much this bad boy sells for on the auction house. And I am 9 away from another one, so. Baldwin. Ultimate Freeze. Oh, 135K. Alright. He doesn't sell for much. In 135K. Well, guys, we fooled around with the sets good enough, and we got an elite out of positions player. The best one we can get right now. I don't know who the best one is. So here we go. Oh, Tavon Austin. Let's go. We got Tavon. He's a pretty good card. What speed is he? 93 speed. Oh my god. This is some unbelievable stuff, guys. Well, more of this later. I'll be doing a unboxing on Christmas unboxing in 2 days. So, hope you like this video, subscribe, and peace.